More than 37% of adults have used telehealth to get care throughout the country, according to the CDC.
That's why Primary Health Group decided to offer telehealth urgent care so patients can skip the lines and get their needs met over the phone. Our Abby Wilt learned just how this new program will work. Abby.
Hunter Morgan, Primary Health isn't the first to do this. St. Luke's and St. Al's both have already have this program, but they tell me it'll be a huge stepping stone to provide more care for Idahoans, not just in Boise, but also in rural areas throughout the state.
We started this because there's a need in the community.
Primary Health Group says they're addressing the needs of Idahoans.
Medical access in Idaho is difficult.
Through expanding their health care with telehealth urgent care visits.
There's a lot that you can treat through telehealth.
The program doesn't just benefit patients across the Treasure Valley.
They can call in and get an online telehealth visit through Primary Health.
But even more so, patients who live in rural areas.
This gives people access, people who can't come in to be seen at one of our clinics.
The Department of Health and Welfare says 35 counties are considered rural in Idaho. Only 9 are urban. Many of those rural counties are called health professional shortage areas, meaning they lack access to primary medical care, dental health care, and mental health care.
Our providers well trained to monitor and ask about and watch for red flags. And so things that are potentially more serious, they'll ask them to come in to be seen. But for those minor things, there's a lot that you can treat.
That's where telehealth comes in. It's especially helpful for symptoms that are easily treated on video, like rashes or allergies. There's one doctor that's spearheading the effort. She's been seeing urgent care patients for years.
So she can deal with the urgent care issues. If she feels like it's something more, then she may send them to be seen in person if it's something.
And Primary Health tells me they just launched the program. They're already seeing patients taking advantage of it. They usually see about 300,000 urgent care visits per year. And while they don't have an exact estimate on how many telehealth visits they expect yet, they do think with multiple appointments per day, telehealth will help ease that in-person demand.
Yeah, there are a lot of issues that people can see people virtually for, so it'll help ease that burden. All right, Abby, thank you.